In November 2016, McLaren talented design team created 5 design editions of the 570s coupe, and now the Spider has received the same special treatment. This one too has 5 different personalities based on the supercar body paint: Silica White, Storm Grey, Vermilion Red, Onyx Black or Vega Blue. The company based in Woking says that you will be saving money by going for one of the design edition versions, as it bundles more kit for less cash. It offered as a customizable package, on top of which customers can add other niceties, such as a plethora of carbon fiber extras inside and out. Depending on the 570's Spider exterior color, the cabin comes in a matching scheme, 4 of which have a sporty theme while the 5th one focuses on luxury. The company designers have also handpicked the wheel finish as well as the brake caliper color, while the appearance of the hardtop was also on their to-do list. Pictured here is the 570's Spider Design Edition 4, featuring an onyx black exterior with a body-colored hardtop. It rides on 10-spoke forged alloys with a stealth finish complemented by the orange brake calipers with black McLaren logos. Inside, the theme of choice was carbon black Alcantara combined with McLaren orange Nappa and perforated leather for the seats. A similar theme has also been applied on the dashboard to round off the high-end visual package. Images of the other 4 design editions have not been revealed, but the company promises they are all equally striking, living up to their designer label credentials with an aesthetic appeal that is uniquely McLaren. The new visual kit for the 570's Spider comes just a couple of weeks after the introduction of an optional track pack, which shaves off more than 33 kilograms 73 pounds and adds a more aggressive exhaust note.